G'day, Scruff here. Thanks for dropping by. 29th of December 2024. We're going to attempt to temporarily repair the old gearbox on the GQ Nissan Patrol. She's got no reverse, and I think it's the reverse locking lug that's jammed. Now normally my big mate Spud works on it and fixes it, but I think he's working on his own Jeep at the moment, so I'm it. I ain't no mechanic, but we're going to try and fix it today. Now, if you happen to be driving one of these old GQs and all of a sudden you've got no reverse, I mean, there's no grinding, there's no crunching. I realise I haven't got the engine going at the moment, of course, no clutch, but this is all you'll get, is just nothing. So that's an indicator that the reverse locking lug has moved. So basically you'll only need 3 tools: 12mm socket, 13mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver or star screwdriver. We'll have a bit of a go today. Alright, bear with me. Obviously you could get the new parts, have someone fix it for you. But we're on the side of the road here, so we've got to try and get it going. Oh, videoing's a bit hairy going. So we undo a few screws here, so we can get this rubber boot out. Normally you have someone videoing it for you, or on a tripod. I'm trying to do this left-handed. Not very successful. Anyway, take the screws out, boot off. Okay, what we'll do is take the top out of the gearbox now. 2 12mm sockets at diagonal, 2 13mm sockets at diagonal. Alright, bear with me. And we'll undo this and pull the gear stick out and see what problems we got in here. Alright, just got to take this one last bolt out and we'll see if we can reveal. Looking down top of the box, you can see a little tab at the top left hand corner. That's the reverse locking lug. So if the camera will bear with us, we need to get a finger down there and push that little lug in to the left there. Alright, looks like we're back on the road again. Rubber boot back in, gear shift in, and carpet roughly placed to stop the snakes crawling in of a night. And hopefully we've got forward gears and reverse gear. How long, we don't know, but it's lasted a couple of years since the last episode. And the tools, all we need, 12mm socket, 13mm socket, Phillips or star screwdriver, and one greasy finger to push the reverse locking lug back into place. So there you have it. We're back on the road again, hopefully. So that's about all I got for you today. So until we meet again, just keep it real and tell it how it is, eh? Thank you.